Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the match time and that you can access the broadcast in your region. Once confirmed, open the official app or radio station stream and sign in quickly so you don't lose the start. Make sure your headphones are connected and switch to Wi-Fi or a strong cellular signal to avoid early drops. If you're using a browser, close other tabs to free bandwidth and enable notifications so you catch the toss and first over live. After joining, choose the commentary language and whether you want the live feed or a slightly delayed broadcast. Once done, use the player controls to set comfortable volume and, if available, adjust playback speed or rewind a few seconds to re-listen to a key delivery. Make sure the score overlay or live text feed is visible so you track wickets and overs while listening. If multiple commentary teams are available, switch briefly to compare context and then settle on the clearer narrator. As the match progresses, bookmark the stream or add it to your app's favorites so you can return quickly for the next session. Keep an eye on battery and data usage, plug in your device or enable low data mode if necessary, and make sure the app has microphone and network permissions as required. If you lose audio or experience lag, first switch networks or toggle Wi-Fi, then lower stream quality. If that fails, restart the app. This simple reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.